Welcome back to the channel. So glad you can come back and watch another video. Today this model is brought to us by the Model Shack. I will leave a link in the description where you can find them on eBay and on their webpage. I've always been a huge fan of Skeletor. He's probably one of the best baddies out there.
Report, Evelyn. Speak!
We have sealed the gates to the city. The castle is secure, and we are closing in on the Thenorian as we speak.
Yes, and He-Man.
He continues to lead the resistance. I assure you, we will have him before the day is out.
I want him kneeling at my feet.
After all this time, Grayskull is ours.
Ow!
The power of Grayskull has not yet passed to you.
Someone is speaking to me.
Yes. Sorceress, my lovely prisoner. My prisoner at last. I've won. The darkness is rising to embrace you.
The dark can embrace the light, but never eclipse it. You've not won yet, Skeletor. He-Man is still alive. I can feel it.
Really? How sensitive you are. Can you feel this? Evelyn, activate the holosphere. People of Eternia, the war is over. My forces are victorious. The sorceress of Grayskull is my prisoner, and her powers are now joined with mine. Let this be my first decree. Those who do not pledge themselves to me shall be destroyed. The new age begins. Everything comes to he who waits. And I have waited so very long for this moment.
Let her go.
I don't think so. No. While she remains imprisoned within this field, her powers increase my own. And when the moon reaches its zenith, the great eye will open, and all the powers of Grayskull will be bestowed upon me. Your wondrous sorceress will die. You dare threaten her life? I dare anything. I am Skeletor. Throw down your weapons and pledge yourselves to me, or you will join her.
It's not her you want, it's me. It's always been between us.
Silence!
It's the locksmith. The little worm has another key!
What? No.
The cosmic key has been activated. We have a bearing on them.
How accurate?
Within a parsec eon.
The next time they use the key, lock in the source and open a doorway.
Shall I prepare a full battalion?
No, it may be a trap. We'll send an advance group. Assemble the mercenaries. Have faith, sorceress. You won't be lonely long.
The cosmic key has been activated. We have a bearing on them.
How accurate?
Within a parsec eon.
The next time they use the key, lock in the source and open a doorway.
Shall I prepare a full battalion?
No, it may be a trap. We'll send an advance group. Assemble the mercenaries. Have faith, sorceress. You won't be lonely long.
We're locking in on the key source of origin.
Very good. Excellent.
You are too easily pleased, Evelyn. Have you forgotten? Time is of the essence. Show me! There. That's close enough. Have you assembled the mercenaries?
Here and awaiting your command. I have selected your finest warriors. Blade. Sarad. The Beastman. And Karg.
A curious quartet. He-Man has slipped away from me. I want him back. This must happen before moonrise. Now, you are to go through to this world where they are hiding. Find the key. Do as you wish with the others, but bring He-Man back alive. You do understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Open the door. Do not fail me.
Why is there still resistance?
The people must know that I am Grayskull.
I depend upon you for these things. You know that.
The people wait for He-Man. They believe that he will return to lead them. For you to rule completely, he must be destroyed.
He-Man. If I kill him, I make him a martyr, a saint. No, I want him broken. Where is the key?
We trace the key's signal, but were unable to take possession of it.
Is that all?
We fought with the Eternians, but were outnumbered. We thought it wise to return alive and gather a larger force.
Set He-Man free! You are all aware of the penalty for failure.
Give me one more chance, Lord Skeletor, and we will succeed.
I am not in the giving vein this day. Get away!
He begs your forgiveness, as do we all. We live only to serve you.
It would be a pity to waste their talents.
Save your pity for yourself if you fail. Take them and whatever troops and resources you need.
I was not suggesting that I go.
Then you should not have spoken. Leave immediately. When you find the key, send a sourcing signal. An attack force will join you, or I will follow. Go!
Who's there? Just an old friend.
Skeletor! How did you get in?
The same way we are going to get out. you can move again, you can tell your people, if they want Prince Adam back, send He-Man to get him. We'll be in the Banshee Jungle. Batros, he's someone I could almost respect.
If Batros is so smart, how come he stole the books instead of the gold and the jewels?
Because unlike you, Batros has a brain. What?
We have some unfinished business, Skeletor.
True, He-Man. And now is the time to finish it. Foolish mortals, say hello to Molcrum.
I'd like to see the real Skeletor all wrapped up like that.
Perhaps someday you will, but not today. You idiots! If I'm not there, nothing is done right. Return, Trapjaw, and you, Beastman, to Snake Mountain immediately. Kendo, step forward. Skeletor has come for you.
You have no business here. You go away. Leave us alone.
I shall, little commander, as soon as you give me your Corridite.
Corridite? Never.
Very well. Perhaps my pet Panther will put you in a more reasonable state of mind.
You'll have to deal with He-Man after all.
No, you'll have to, my beauty. Your hatred of me will work in my favor. Every time you look at He-Man, you will see my face, and you will think it is me. Come, you fools!
Skeletor. It's 2 against 1.
Think so? Count again!
For you, Ghostface.
Not so fast, my pretty. Have a little sleeping gas.
He-Man, they've got Zalora.
Skeletor! Stop!
Too late, fools! Now you have a choice. Save Castle Grayskull, or try to save this woman from Dragosaur Isle. That fool Kothos is after the Fountain of Life. I've long sought the powers of the fountain myself. By drinking its waters, I could become all-powerful. You two will go to Aradan and steal the fountain before Kothos can get it.
Oh? And what's to stop us from taking the fountain for ourselves, Skeletor?
This. Any more questions?
I found this one away from home. I thought I'd bring him back to you.
I'm considering putting him on a leash.
I'm here because I think you might be able to serve my purposes.
You will serve my purposes, Batros. You will do as you are told.
We will see who serves whom.
Your puny lasers mean nothing to me. Surely you can do better than that? Am I supposed to be frightened? More tricks, Batros? Or are you ready to talk business?
You talk. I'll listen.
I'll talk and you'll obey. This time I'll have He-Man where I want him.
And Eternia will be ours.
Ours, Furface?
I meant yours. Yours.
Well, Captain Tila, this is a surprise. Have you come to surrender to the forces of Skeletor?
No, Skeletor. I came to bring you this.
A Mesotronic bomb!
That's right. And you have 5 minutes to get you and your evil cohorts out of here before I push the button.
I think not, Wildor. Not the way to treat your beloved ruler. Throw down your weapons, or you die. Stay where you are, He-Man! One more move, and your friends will not live to see another day!
It'll be all right.
I give you a choice. Return with me to Eternia as my slave, and save their despicable lives, or perish with them on this primitive and tasteless planet. Surrender. Leave them alone. He-Man is my slave. As long as I let them live, he is bound by his word. Let them rot. Let them rot. How long?
Half pre-dawn till moonrise.
Do you hear, sorceress? The final moment has come. All the forces of Grayskull, all the powers of the universe will be vested in me. Me! And you will cease to exist.
It is not too late to undo this madness.
Madness. I demand the destitution, shame, and loneliness of scorn. It is my destiny. It is my right. Nothing will deter me from it.
Men who crave power look back over the mistakes of their lives, pile them all together, and call it destiny.
Thank you for that bit of philosophy, sorceress. Here is my response. Yes, sorceress. The sword of Grayskull. Mine! Now and forever. Your champion. Witness this moment, He-Man. This moment when the powers of Grayskull will become mine for eternity. Our lifelong battle is ending at last in the only way it could.
Holosphere standing by.
When the great eye opens, the people of Eternia shall see you kneeling to me just before you die.
I'll never kneel to you!
Yes, you will! Yes, you will! Or I shall wreak unforgettable harm upon you. Where is your strength? Where is it gone? Look at your precious sorceress. An old crone, weak, withering, dying. Are you ready to kneel now, proud warrior?
The moon rises to its apex.
Do you hear? The Alpha and the Omega. Death and rebirth. And as you die, so will I be reborn.
Skeletor is no wimp. Why, you stupid boob, I'll show you who you're dealing with. I'm a killer, big bad and blue and black magic. Little girl trying to step to me, hot tragic. Calling up the palace and crying to your daddy, ducking. Ain't it past the curfew, pumpkin? My skull face style, it's a powerful potion. King Randor yelling, what's up the commotion? Mine. I'll kill you in that douche He-Man. Try and step to me, you must be dumber than Rat-Man.
Some people say I'm stupid, but I'm really not.
Yes, you are.
No, but I am.
Yes! I feel the universe within me. I am a part of the cosmos. Identity flows through me. This planet, these people, they are nothing to me. The universe is power! Pure, unstoppable power! And I am that force! I am that power! Kneel before your master! You are no longer my equal! I am more than man! More than life! You will kneel! I, Skeletor, am master of the universe.